Hello, welcome. So let's try to do this one quickly. So for us, our first step, we are going to remove the radical sign in the denominator. So it's going to be 1 over, instead of the square root of 3x plus 5, it's going to be 3x plus 5 raised to power a half. Because we know the power of a half is just like a square root. Now, next, this is a reciprocal function, so we are going to take what we have in the denominator to the numerator. So it's going to be y is equals to 3x plus 5 raised to power negative a half. Now, clearly, this one looks like a function that requires chain rule for differentiation. Now, as we have discussed before, the derivative in chain rule, it is simply explained as the derivative of what you have outside, and in this case what we have is the brackets, and then you have to power negative a half. The coefficient here is 1. Therefore, working out the derivative, it's going to be negative a half times 1, negative a half times 1, which is going to be negative a half into brackets. Now we copy what was supposed to be inside the brackets, which is 3x plus 5, and then to power negative a half minus 1 is going to be negative 3 over 2. Now we are done with what is outside. Now, what about the derivative of what is inside? In this case, what we have inside is 3x plus 5. All right, so 3x plus 5. The derivative of this is going to be, what is the derivative of 5, which is just a constant? It is 0. The derivative of 3x is 3. And now, chain rule, it's simply the product or the multiplication of the derivative of what is outside times that one of inside. So the answer is going to be equal to negative 1 over 2 into brackets 3x plus 5, you raised to power negative 3 over 2 times 3. So 3 can be multiplied by this negative a half, which is going to be negative 3 over 2 into brackets 3x plus 5 raised to power negative 3 over 2. And that is the final solution. All right, thank you so much for watching, and keep here all the time for interesting mathematical questions. Bye bye.